Hi everyone, today we look at 15 other sentences that we can use instead of saying how are you all the times. Now I will be telling you the sentences and then I will be reading the sentences in slow-mo so that you can repeat it after me and understand the sentences in a super magical way. Okay, are you ready? Right. How are you doing? How are you doing? How have you been? How have you been? How's everything? How is everything? How's it going? How is it going? How is it going? How are the things going? How are the things going? Right? What's going on? What is going on? What's new? What is new? What's up? What is up? And you can say what's up? What's up? What's up? Right? Okay. What are you up to? What are you up to? Right? How is life? How is life? How is life treating you? How is life treating you? How is life going on? How is life going on? How is your day going? How is your day going? How is your day going? How are the days? How are the days? Thank you for watching, and if you like it, subscribe the channel and keep spreading the word of wisdom. Bye bye.